Everyone knows Area 51 exists, but what they don't tell you is that the real facility isn't on the surface. It's miles beneath the Nevada desert. Today, we've breached their perimeter with a specialized stealth probe. What you are about to see was never meant to be leaked. Using infrared heat sensors, our probe located a massive hydraulic hatch hidden under the desert sand. As it descends, we're leaving the world we know behind. We are now entering Level 4, the most classified zone on Earth. Wait, something is moving in the shadows. We've been detected. The internal security protocols are engaging. Static effect sound. We are losing the signal, but the truth is finally out. Subscribe to NeoWorld Focus before they take this video down.